Working with Instagram influencers can be a great way to reach new audiences and build brand awareness. You need to select the right fit and reach out to them. And the way in which you do this can have a direct impact on whether or not they decide to collaborate with you. Because if you don't follow the right strategy and work out how to contact Instagram influencers in the most effective way, then your plan will be dead in the water. So what's the right strategy and channel to engage with an influencer? How do you capture their attention? We will share with you 5 valuable tips to help you do so. Without further ado, let's get started. It can often be difficult to connect with Instagram influencers, even if they are nano or micro influencers. This is mainly because they are primarily focused on building their own brand, and your message can often get lost in all the noise. It's all about knowing how to find the right influencers and how to contact them in a way that captures their attention and convinces them that collaborating with your brand is an opportunity they can't afford to miss. But before we look at what you should do, let's start by looking at an example of what not to do. Let's take a look at this sample email. Hey! We're currently looking for influencers to try our new range of beauty products. By being an ambassador for our brand, you will get 3 free lipsticks and gain tons of exposure. Just DM the word influencer to our page @beautiful_lips to claim your spot. So what's wrong with this message? Put simply, it isn't personalized, it doesn't include anything about the influencer themselves or their content in particular. It also lacks any precise details about the campaign you want to launch with them. And it fails to introduce your brand's values, which are key to know if you're a good match. So how should it be done correctly? Let's find out how to contact Instagram influencers in a way that piques their interest and opens up the channels of communication with some tips. 1. Engage with the influencer. The first step in understanding how to contact Instagram influencers is knowing how to engage with them. It's important to take the time to establish a relationship before making contact, especially if this is the first time you've reached out to them. Start by following them on the social network you'd like to work with them on. Like their posts and leave comments. Mention them in posts and share their publications. Make sure they understand that you are interested in what they have to say. This shows that you're not only familiar with their work, but also that you're a fan. That way, they will be far more likely to respond when you eventually approach them about a potential influencer marketing collaboration. 2. Use the right channels. It's also important to use the right channels to make your initial contact. Although you might be following an influencer on Instagram, it's often best to contact them via email, not via DM. Emails are more professional, and they tend to elicit a higher response rate. You can probably find an influencer's email address on their social media bio or website. If you can't find contact information, send them a DM or comment on one of their posts and ask them to share their email address. 3. Plan ahead. It's important to plan in advance. This is especially true during busy periods such as Christmas or the summer holidays. If you're planning to launch an influencer campaign during a peak period, make sure you reach out to your influencer well in advance. Remember, they're people too, and they need time off occasionally. And they might also have been contacted by other brands, so they can't do any more campaigns in that period of time. Never leave it until the last minute to make contact. Plan ahead and spend as much time as possible getting to know your chosen influencer and explaining everything they need to know in order to prepare a successful and effective campaign and create meaningful relationships with your buyers. 4. Arrange an introduction. Arranging an introduction can be a highly effective strategy if you and your chosen influencer have any mutual connections. Asking someone familiar to you both to make a formal introduction can help an influencer warm to you and develop a sense of trust that will make them far more likely to be open to the possibility of forming a partnership together. 5. Send a personalized and clear offer. Finally, the most valuable tip we want to share with you today is that you need to make sure that when you first contact them, your offer is both personalized and clear. And that means doing the opposite of what we saw in the what not to do example before. Firstly, make sure you refer to the influencer by name so that they understand that your message is specifically targeted at them, not a generic wider audience. Tell them why you're a fan of their work and why you think they would be a good fit for your brand. You should also tell them a little bit about your own brand values and be upfront about what you're proposing. Explain what you're looking for, what your expectations are, and what your timeline is. Be specific about deliverables, platforms, and the overall goals of your campaign. That way, everyone is clear from the start and nobody's time is wasted. Finally, make sure you include a clear call to action so that your connection can progress to the next level. A successful partnership that provides you with an ROI that meets your expectations. And now that it's clear how to make proper contact to the influencers that you want to work with, we want to share with you a tutorial on how to send bulk emails with the Influencity platform. It will be useful to reach out to influencers and for many other strategies. You can access a free trial of Influencity's platform here, or in the link in the description below, so make sure to check it out later. Let's jump right in. The first step to sending bulk emails is to configure your email in Profile and Preferences under the section Communication. Here you have two options. The first is to use an Influencity email, where you would just add your name to this email tail and a redirect address where all influencer replies would be sent. The second is to customize your own email domain. This means that you would have to do a basic domain redirect with your existing email and select the name of the address you want to create. Now it's time for the fun part, to see how to send bulk emails in real life. You can do this in two different products, Influencer and Campaigns. Let's start with influencers. This is my entire database, and these are all the influencers that I have saved. Let's select a few and click Send Email and select Bulk Email. Here I have two options. I can either write my email from scratch or I can use a template that I've created previously. For this one, let's do an email from scratch. So up here in the subject line, maybe I want to give them a Christmas update. I can also add some personalization tokens by clicking on the lightning icon. And then down here, I'm going to write Hi, and then plug in their name by going to Personalize and selecting Influencers. These are all the personalization tokens that I can use. In this case, I've selected an influencer alias, which is my contact's first name or nickname. The information for these tokens comes from the contact that you made for each influencer when you added them to your database. For example, if I send this email to Natalie, she will get an email that says, Hi, Natalie. Quick tip: be careful when adding influencer names to your database. Whatever you have saved in this field on their page will show up in the email that you send, so make sure it reflects what they like to be called. Finally, go to Review and Send, and you'll see that this email will be sent to 3 recipients. Now let's look at another example by going to a list. Here I've made a list of all the influencers who have a birthday in November, so I can send them a special greeting on their special day. To do this, I'm going to go again to Send Email. This time, I'm going to use a special template that I created for this occasion, and it's called Birthday Greeting. Click Insert, and now my template is included right here. In the actual message that they receive, it'll say Happy Birthday, Jana, or Happy Birthday, Lily, according to the information in their profile. To show you what this looks like, let's look at this influencer profile. Again, this is the influencer alias, so whatever I plug into this field will be included in the token. If I go to the Emails tab, I can see any emails I've sent to this influencer previously. If they were to reply, it would be redirected to my own email address right here. Now let's see how this would work with a seeding campaign. Influencer seeding is a practice of sending free gifts to influencers with the hope that they'll give you a shout out or do an unboxing. I've already created a campaign, and these are all the influencers that I will be sending gifts to. To communicate the gift and all that information, I'm going to send them a quick email. Again, we'll send bulk email from scratch. And now I'm going to write them an email with all the information from my campaign. As you can see, this time I have different personalization tokens. Program name in this case would be Winter Waves, because we're a snowboarding company selling snowboarding products. And the product name would be the exact product that we're trying to gift. In this case, it's our Minimal Snowboard. This is the name of our e-commerce site, where they would go get their product and the special code that they would use to get their gift with free shipping. Finally, we're asking them to mention the name of our account, which is also the name of our brand. And that's all the information that they need. The last step would just be to review your text and send your message. Any replies from the influencers would be sent to your redirect email, which is the address I entered when I created my domain. And that's all for today. We hope you found this video and tutorial useful. Remember to check the link to access a free trial on the Influencity platform. To learn more, watch this video on how to find influencers for your brand. Leave us a like and subscribe to our channel for more influencer marketing content. See you in the next video.